Hey guys and welcome back to my channel. This is Purab, and in today's video I'm going to give you a full review for this Digitech ring light. I played around with this light quite a while and I finally thought that I should give you my final review on this one. In this video I'll be covering the pros, cons as well as a few questions that people asked me on Instagram. I got many questions on Instagram, so I'm just going to answer the most common ones. So without wasting any time, let's get started. For the pros and the cons, I'll be showing you some of the features from this light. So the first thing I wanted to talk about is that this light has 11 levels of brightness, which is very efficient because you'll have 11 different brightness of this light. So you can use this light as your key light, your fill light, for your product shoots, interviews, YouTube videos, as which I'm doing right now. For the second thing I wanted to talk about is that this light can be charged by a portable charger. Yes, you heard me right. You can actually power up this whole light just with a portable charger. I was just reading through the box and I found that it has the same voltage that a normal charger has. So I just thought of trying it out. As soon as I plugged it into my portable charger, the light turned on. And as a matter of fact, right now I'm using this light with my portable charger. So let's come to the pros and the cons of this light. So the first advantage of this light is that it can get very bright for the price. I've said it in my previous video as well. This light is very bright. So the second thing is that this light is very portable. If you need to travel with this light, you can easily travel, so you don't have to worry about the power source because you can easily attach this light to a portable charger. This light is so small and compact that it can actually fit in your camera bag or in your travel bag, whatever bag you are carrying. And because of the lightweight, you'll not feel any kind of heaviness to your bag because this light is very light. So the fourth thing I wanted to talk about, that this light comes in 3 different color temperature variants. So the first one is the warm light, the second is a cool light, and the third one is a mixture of both. So in the third one you'll get a little bit of cool, a little bit of warm. So you can use this light according to your need, as it comes with 3 different color temperature variants, so you can actually use it for whatever you want. So you're not just stuck with one particular color temperature, you have 3, so you can use it. So the fifth thing is that it is quite easy to set up. As I said, it is very portable. It is lightweight, so you really don't need any kind of weights or anything. You just need to attach the grip or the light stand, anything, and you're ready to go. So this comes in handy when you need to shoot to something really fast and you need a light source, and you don't have to spend a lot of time by just attaching the light towards the grip or the stand. It is a quite easy setup. Okay, so the last and the final thing is that this light has heat vents. So I was using this light yesterday for 2 hours straight, and after a usage of 2 hours, I felt that light was getting a little bit warm. So the heat vents actually work and it's really helpful. So now let's talk about the cons or the disadvantages of this light. So the first thing is that this light is not as professional as the light you'll expect, because this light only has some few settings. So this light will provide you enough light but will not act as a professional light. Why I'm saying this, because you'll have limited options with this. So you can't change the color temperature a lot. You don't have so very bright light. Talking about professionalism, the second thing I wanted to talk about is that it only has 3 color temperatures. If you are in a scenario where you need a particular level of color temperature, it is not going to give you that. So all of this color temperatures what you're seeing right now is not you'll get something with this light. So you'll only have 3 options. So the third con is quite important for people who are actually buying this light for a longer period of time. This light only has 6 months of warranty. So if you're planning to buy a light for a longer period of time, do check out the warranty and after sale services. I got this off Amazon with only 6 months of warranty, which is a bad thing because when someone is investing money in something, you need a guarantee that it will be with you for a longer period of time. Okay, so those were the pros and the cons for this light, and now I'll be answering a few questions that I asked over my Instagram. So the first question is, can we shoot product pictures and videos? Yes, definitely. You can shoot any kind of product videos or photos you want for you. This light is good for that. So the second question is, are there any heating issues? Well, in my review, I did not feel that this light was getting overheated or something, but this light does get warm enough, so you need to keep that in mind. So the third one is, what's the color temperature? Well, the color temperature for this light are this. So I hope that answers your question. Okay, the fourth one is it good for indoor cinematic product videos? Yes, it is good for indoor cinematic product videos. I'm actually going to shoot a B-roll with this light, so stay tuned for that. So the next one is life cycle of this light. Well, as I said, this light only has 6 months of warranty, so I don't know how long this light will be with me. So the last question is, how much did you purchase it for? Well, this light is actually for 1000 rupees right now, but I got it from Amazon sale, which was around 820 rupees. So there you go. I hope this video will answer all your queries and questions. If you want to buy this light, I'll have the links in the description below. You can purchase it from there, and if you do that, it will really help my channel. If you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.